Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto tayo ng beef gisado. So ito na yung ating beef marinated. Na-marinate ko na guys ng almost 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we have our carrots and sweet potatoes. This is our bell pepper, red onions, and garlic. Okay? So umpisahan na natin guys. By the way guys, ito ay nabili ko guys sa supermarket dito guys. 2 for 1.99. 2 liters for 1.99. Okay, maglagay na tayo ng oil. Or garlic. Wow, kumukulo-kulo na. Malapit na yan guys. Beef gisado. Tapos ang ating red onion. So, mag-brown tayo guys ng ating, wala akong tongs guys. So, okay lang. Dahan ko muna ng boy. So, kumakalpit lang. I-brown muna natin guys. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Changi. Sabi ng mama doon, tenderloin. Kasi yun ang gusto ko. Gisado na beef tenderloin para madali siyang maluto at mag-tender. I hope nga. So, mamaya na ito sabaw.
So, this is half kilo guys. Ito yung half kilo na beef tenderloin. Nabili natin sa Changi or Mercado. Sarap na yan. Ta-da-da!
Wala kasi akong clippers guys. So, kasi nasa napa-package na namin. So, ito na lang. Use what is available in my kitchen para makapagluto. Okay? Okay, batu. So, wala din akong ibang pangtakip. So, borrow muna. So, i-simmer natin guys 14 minutes. So, ilagay ko na guys ang marinated sauce ko guys. Yung sauce niya. At saka, takpan natin guys at isimmer natin ng 10 minutes guys. Hayaan nating ma-dissolve yung kanyang sabaw bago natin ilagay ang ating ibang mga sangkap. Okay? Tayo guys ng ating tomato paste. Tomato paste. 1 tablespoon. Kunti lang pa. Naglagay na tayo ng tomato paste. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng ating veggies. So, this time guys, ilagay natin ang ating spices. That's the garlic and the red onion. Tapos maglagay tayo ng ating bell pepper guys. Hindi ko na bina-brown yung veggies ko guys. So, maglagay tayo guys ng hot water, around 1.5 cup. Para mag-tender pa siya. Yun. Or 2 cups na lang guys. 2 cups. Kasi yung beef natin guys, hindi masyadong siya. Kailangan siya ng i-tender natin. So, siya. Tapos, cover up natin. Lagay tayo guys ng brown sugar. That's it. Cover up muna natin. Tikman muna natin ang sabaw. Pag masarap pa siya o hindi. Yummy. Ito na yung beef gisado natin, guys. So guys, that is our final product. This is our beef gisado. So if you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, share and subscribe, and even comment. Have a good time. Bye! Yummy! So thank you for watching to my channel, guys. And so this is our beef gisado. This is my lunch for this afternoon. Okay? Have a good time. Hanggang sa muli. This is Test Tasty Channel. Bye!